to Pakistan for his meritorious services in helping Pakistan flood victims during the 2010 and 2011 unprecedented flood, as this award is yet another proof of the strong relations between the two brotherly countries. More details from Islamabad in this report.
Brotherly and friendly relations based on a strong tradition and religious bonds between Saudi Arabia and Pakistan further cemented on Friday when President of Pakistan Asif Ali Zardari bestowed the highly respectable civil reward of Hilali Imtiaz to Saudi Ambassador Abdulaziz bin Ibrahim Al Ghadir for his meritorious services for the people of Pakistan during floods.
His Excellency Abdulaziz bin Ibrahim bin Saleh Al Ghadir, Ambassador of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia to the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, is a sincere friend and well-wisher of the people of Pakistan. He has made contributions in arranging and distribution of relief assistance to the effectees of devastating 2010 floods. His services in this regard will always be remembered by the people of Pakistan.
Saudi ambassador, along with his entire team in embassy and different Saudi relief organizations, remain active from north to south of Pakistan for 2 consecutive years of flooding in 2010 and 2011 to help 25 million Pakistani affected by unprecedented floods that made highly loving and respected personality in the Pakistan.
I feel happy when I received this award today from the President of Pakistan. On behalf of all my nation in Saudi Arabia, I take this award for all my nations one by one, because actually when I receive it from His Excellency President, I receive it behalf of all my nation.
Not only government officials but also intellectuals, politicians, journalists and experts from all walks of life admired the role of Saudi Arabia through their ambassador Abdulaziz, and spoke high of their Saudi brothers.
Saudi Arabia, spiritually, politically and economically, is so dear to us and so close to us that it really needed a personality like Brother Al Ghadir to represent the kingdom in Pakistan. I know that he has worked very hard during all this period,